The Flying Fijians campaign for the upcoming Pacific Nations Cup and the World Cup is taking shape. With the Flying Fijians expected to play a fast game, power and speed will be the main weapons. The hunt for the right mix kicked off in Suva this morning. The strain heads up from potential players for a berth in the Flying Fijians. It's a build-up to Friday's trials, one the brains trust now will give them a gauge of their selection base.
It's exciting just to start to have the players around and just feel like we're ready to build now.
Under the watchful check of the national trainer, individual tests were carried out today. And not only fitness, there's more needed on top of it.
Physical testing is one area. Obviously the ability to on field is another area of consideration, but we're certainly not disregarding attitude and desire. We think that's a major part of the process.
31-year-old France-based Sunia Koto is back in the mix again.
I did all the testing. I think the results are with the trainers at the moment, so enjoyed it.
It was a tougher workout for his 2007 World Cup front row mate, Counties-based Graham Dews.
Well, to be honest, it was really hard. Just good to be back, but you know, up against the competition, you see the local boys, they're a big step up from previous years.
Looking better on the run, Waikato's Domenico Wanganimburotu.
There was some room for improvement, but from there, I think I had to change something, but I don't know. I could do better, but yeah, just that's how it goes.
Overseas players are taking a step at a time, knowing the competition will be tough in trials.
I just have to work hard and do my best.
The desire is still there ever since 2007. I just want to give something back to the country and just do my best.
Got the chance to play with some of the older players that I haven't played with. Coming back from France, and yeah, it's going to be a good competition.
Test results are one thing, only players in good condition to fit the style of play will get the nod.
We're looking to play a faster game, we're looking to use the ball, we're looking for power and speed to be major components of our programs.
There's more fitness tests tomorrow and Thursday for different sets of players.